We're going to be going through some of the main things that you need to consider and what to check to make sure that your Wagner paint sprayer is working perfectly, helping you achieve a professional finish in a fraction of the time. Make sure the surface is clean, dry and dust free. Ensure that you're the right distance from the surface, either 5 to 15 centimetres or 20 to 30 centimetres, depending on what attachment you're using. When you go from top to bottom, try to avoid pulling the unit away at the top or the bottom, as this can create overspray. Please ensure that you maintain a 90-degree angle to the surface. Always keep the sprayer moving at a consistent pace. When starting to spray, make sure you're moving the unit before you pull the trigger. Make sure you release the trigger before you finish the movement. We always recommend that you have a wet rag to wipe the nozzle in between applications. By spraying too close to the surface or having your paint turned up too high will potentially build up the paint and create runs. An important thing is to make sure that the sprayer is kept upright, that it's not tipped back too far or turned upside down. If you're still having any issues, you may need to contact Wagner. You can get product support on our social media platforms as well as through the website.